Today we're going to be looking at a very important feature that has been implemented on LinkedIn. But before we do that, I want to explain the reason for this implementation. So one of the things you'll notice is that most people don't open their LinkedIn app every day. If you have a job or you are currently very busy, you won't be opening your LinkedIn app every day. So because you're not opening your app every day, you tend to miss out on some important information that is going on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn tried to fix this by implementing a feature called catch up here. So this is catch up. With catch up, you can now basically see just changes that are happening with your connections on LinkedIn. Job changes, birthdays as well, work anniversary, education, basically all the ones you might have missed recently. You'll see everything there. You see birthdays that happened recently. You can also see job changes as well. If you have friends and connections that recently got new jobs, you're going to see them here and all of that. So usually you wouldn't see these things on a normal day in your notifications here, because your notifications can go away after a while, right? That's why LinkedIn implemented this catch up feature. So you go to my network here and you click on catch up, and you can basically see stuff you've missed out on recently on LinkedIn. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you around. Bye.